Hey everyone, today I want to talk about where to get things to post on social media and how to post them so it looks like you're really active when you're really not and you're doing other stuff. So the first thing is when you're working, take your phone, take pictures of the process, take pictures of the materials and the finished items. There's a lot of things that you can do while you're working. Just take, 5 seconds to take a picture of it as you're working. Don't show everybody your whole process. That's your proprietary business information, but you can show them the finished product and that kind of thing. What you want to do is take one video and maybe make it about 10 seconds at least, and then 2 or 3 pictures of the thing that you're working on. So that way you have a video and a few still photos of each project. And you can share those on multiple social media platforms. You can put the videos on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook. You can put them on the Etsy Explorer, which is on the new app. And the still photos you can use in the same places. And the other thing that I would say, it definitely try to batch all of this so that you're sitting down and scheduling things out like once a week, once a month. I just yesterday scheduled my emails to my email list for the rest of the year. So that's 5 more months that I don't have to think about it. And they're going to go out every week and it's perfect. So I don't have to worry about that. But if you do this on a regular basis, you'll get this little library of photos and videos that you can use in multiple places. Batching is great. We all know about batching is where you just do the one thing all at once. But scheduling is even better. And if you do them together, then you're going to save yourself a lot of time, and it just prevents you having to set things up and do it all at once. So definitely leave me any questions. If you have ideas about ways to save time and to post to social media regularly, post them in the comments. I will talk to you later.